Let's learn action verbs with sentences. I am laughing. I am pushing. I am painting. I am shivering. I am praying. I am pulling. I am angry. I am lifting. I am mopping. I am carrying. I am throwing. I am catching. I am watering. I am confused. I am skating. I am eating. I am fishing. I am playing. I am running. I am jumping. I am swimming. I am cycling. I am flying. I am pressing. I am clasping. I am washing. I am brushing. I am combing. I am chewing. I am drinking. I am smiling. I am winking. I am smelling. I am feeding. I am cleaning. I am vacuuming. I am sleeping. I am folding. I am wrapping. I am sighing. I am coughing. I am sneezing. I am spitting. I am yawning. I am pouting. walking. I am stretching. I am twisting. I am bending. I am going. I am spinning. I am rolling. I am snorting. I am mumbling. I am tapping. I am plucking. I am snapping. I am rubbing. I am waving. I am nodding. I am punching. I am tickling. I am waiting. I am hitting. I am sweeping. I am dancing. I am bathing. I am crawling. I am resting. I am sliding. I am exercising. I am calling. I am buying. I am shouting. I am scratching. I am climbing. I am planning. I am helping. I am studying. I am singing. I am drawing. I am watching. I am skateboarding. I am building. I am working. I am solving. I am reading. I am shaving. I am dressing up. I am skipping. I am stitching. I am cooking. I am baking. I am hugging. I am whispering. I am holding. I am chopping. I am burping. I am farting. I am sewing. I am arranging my cupboard. I am tasting. I am selling. I am fighting. I am screaming. I am sucking. Thanks for watching, kids. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great